All right, tubes. I'm over here at our buddy Road King's house. Say hey.
Hey.
And we got my dad over here, and we got me behind the camera. So we got this antique circular saw here. Some of you may recognize that as being the saw that I almost cut my leg off with way back in the day. But anyway, I finally got my revenge on it. Cutting through some wood the other day, it stopped working on me. So we're gonna try and figure out what's going on with it. What do you think we ought to try first, buddy?
I don't know. We got to keep it running. Though. This is a family heirloom.
Yeah.
Show them this blade. I've never seen a blade like this.
Yeah.
Got lightning bolt carved in there.
Yeah. Don't make them like that anymore.
No. You'll get it running. It can't be something too bad.
Nah. Now, who knows? Maybe the switch stopped working.
Maybe. You know, I don't see any place to put brushes in it, but I would imagine it has them somewhere.
Yep.
All right. We'll get a screwdriver. We'll get it going.
You know what else is that plug doesn't look that great either.
Yeah.
The cord. So we'll have to check that too. All right. We're testing the easiest thing first.
Smoke test. Get a smoke test. Nothing going.
It doesn't seem as though there's any intermittent power delivery problems. Taking some screws out here. There's 3 on each side here, 6 total on the outside there, and then there's another one in the handle. And it looks like I think there's about 5 more. There's the one I'm doing right now, right here, and there's 2 more here, 2 more there. I think that's it. All right, got my assistant Road King here. We're just about ready to take this thing apart. We had to get our guard out of the way that was holding us up.
There we go. I think it's coming. I think it's coming, buddy.
There you go.
Oh.
Oh, watch out.
Oh
man.
Don't lose all them screws.
Don't lose those screws.
Don't lose them screws.
Well, there's not much to it.
Nah, here you brushes. You do that. Whoa, whoa.
Oh, man.
Whoa.
Oh.
There's your problem. I found your problem already.
There's your problem. Huh.
That'll be $75, buddy.
Let me get a closer look at that. Hold that up again.
Talk about luck, huh?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
You think that wire melted off?
No. Well, I don't know what happened though, but that's just. Oh, look. The brush itself. Here's the back of the brush is cracked. And here's the rest of it with the wire. Or the clip.
Huh.
Yeah, this whole clip comes out. So there's your problem.
There's your problem. Huh. Well, that's good. That's probably repairable.
That keeps you from checking all your switches and wires and everything.
Yeah, it's got to be it right there.
That's crazy. I've never done that before in my life, buddy.
All right. Well, I guess we'll try and get some parts for this thing, and we'll catch up with you when we get them. All right. I was just discussing things with Road King and my dad, and we're thinking just for the sake of time and for the sake of the video and for the sake of possibility that we might be able to not find parts, we're going to see if we can get this thing running tonight. And the way we're going to do that is show them that little part that actually broke off there.
Well, this here is where your wire goes.
Yeah. So what happened is
this just needs to be resoldered right there.
It was actually a crimp connection, or I don't know, maybe they may or may not have reinforced it with solder.
I don't think so.
I can't really tell, but it was just crimped on there. So what we're going to try and do.
That just pushes your brushes.
Yeah.
Just the back of your brush.
Yeah, so I think what we're going to try and do tonight is we'll just try and solder that part back on there, and then put it back together. Because those brushes, they got some life left back on them.
This one here was kind of soft to the back, but I think you can sand that down and you'll be fine.
Yeah, enough to at least get it running tonight.
Yeah.
You know, and then we'll still try and get parts for it, but you never know. How old do you think the saw is? 30, 40 years old?
Easy from the 70s, early 70s.
Yeah, so, you know, we might, well, it's a standard brush. We could probably get it, but you never know. We'll get it running tonight, and then maybe there'll be a part 2 if we can find some more parts. Alright, so we got things cleaned up here and just about ready to solder. Actually already tinned this wire up here. So the only other thing I have to do is get this guy down here ready, so.
Alright, we got a little assistance here from Daddy.
Alright, that's better.
We had to wake Daddy dirt bike up to help us here.
Let's see what we can do now. Oh, much better.
Oh, look at that.
Much better.
Oh my God.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
Oh, watch your camera.
Oh, man.
Don't drop my camera. How's it look, buddy? Look cold?
No.
Alright, good. Alright, I got that thing soldered up pretty good, so we're going to try and get this thing back together now. That's all there is to that thing. That thing just sits right in there. And then, I guess we just got to put our brush in and clip it into place.
Convex side goes out. There you go. There you go, buddy. That's the outside.
Alright, well, I guess we'll, you know what we could do before we put that on?
Blow it out?
Yeah, we might want to blow it out and
Re-grease it.
And re-grease it, because that's actually, it doesn't even have a really bearing there. It's just, it's really just a bushing.
Right.
It just rides in there.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll put some grease in there.
Try and blow some of the sawdust out without blowing the grease all over the garage.
Yeah. Remanufactured, buddy.
Right. I don't want to get goofy, buddy.
Yeah, and then
It's better than it was.
A lot better than it was.
Then you dig that grease out and
Yep.
get some nice red grease for you.
Good. Alright, I'm going to try and scrape some of this grease out of here. You know, at least get most of it out. Get all the old dirt and everything out. It's funny, you know, actually the part where the grease is supposed to be is these parts out here. Because this part in here is actually, if you look at the saw, that's where the gear sits. You
I don't know if you see it, buddy, but down there's a big globs of grease aren't doing nothing.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, I mean, you can grease it, but it's not going to stay on there for that long.
Yeah.
As soon as the gears start spinning.
So once you grease it, it'll outlast that machine.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Alright, I got a pretty good amount of grease in here. I ended up, not just the bearing surfaces, but I did end up putting some grease in where the gear rides. It'll at least pick it up. You know, I don't know how long it'll take for it to all just get thrown down there like before, but sounds better than nothing.
Yeah.
It's better than it was before when we took it apart.
Exactly. Synthetic too.
Is it? That's good. It's kind of hard to rotate the saw because, you know, it wants to walk itself out.
Yeah.
You know, it's trying to spin
Locked
the whole.
in.
Yeah.
It'll be okay.
It'll be alright. Alright, I'm buttoning this thing up here. We only got a couple more screws that got to go in this thing. I think about 3 more. And then we're ready for the smoke test.
What are about 12 of them screws held that together?
Yeah.
You get a saw now, you only get 3 screws to hold it
I
in.
know. I mean, the whole thing's metal. They don't make saws like this anymore.
Nope.
Ain't gonna buy this at Harbor Freight.
Are you all buttoned up, buddy?
All buttoned up.
Here's a plug.
Alright.
Here's a smoke test. Put your safety glasses on, stand back.
Alright. So far, so good.
You're pretty optimistic. You buttoned that whole thing up, you're pretty optimistic, huh?
Oh yeah, I'm not taking them screws out again.
Go ahead.
Watch your fingers. That's good.
Let me go around this side. Let me get the money shot.
Yeah. Watch them lightning bolts.
Go ahead.
You ready?
Go ahead. I think Black & Decker should give you a sponsorship after this.
I think so too.
Alright.
Alright, well thanks to my team of experts, we got this thing back up and running. No time. What'd that take us, an hour? Not even?
Not even.
Half hour, 45 minutes? No, we didn't even have to buy anything. Ready to rock and roll. Ready for another 45 years.
Yeah.
Alright, well I think that's going to about do it for this video, so hopefully you guys liked the video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Did you like it, Road King?
I loved it.
Give me a thumbs up.
Hey.
Alright. Alright. See you guys in the next one.